This is Elyria, Ohio, everyone, and I'm here at an abandoned Dunham Sport. No, why did I say Dunham Sports? Because there's one over at the mall, probably. This is Dick's Sporting Goods, and they really need to change that name. I've always hated it, but you can clearly see inside of this one, and we're going to check it out. This is right over by the Midway Mall here in Elyria, Ohio, on Urbex. So we have Home Depot way down there, Target, Giant Eagle, and then there is this abandoned Dick's Sporting Good store, and then next to that we have a guy on the roof, okay, and a Joann Fabrics craft store. Wow, look at this. We have Home Depot carts all the way down here. That's a long way. Wow, look, you can clearly see inside of this one. Holy crap. Look at that. It's like I'm standing inside the store. Wow, look at that, you guys. That's really cool. Look at clearly into the store. I love how this has the, well, it gives you a good idea of when you go into a Dick's Sporting Goods that isn't closed, and you're able to see, now you're able to see what it really looks like kind of stripped down. And of course, here is the a look through the main entrance of the store. All right, guys, so I decided to pop into this Target here in Elyria, Ohio, joined by Slack and Packin' Parker from Slack and Packin', because I heard about all the neon in here, and I was like, I've seen Targets with neon in it, but no, look at some of the neon that's in here. It's different colors. I've seen like the green and red kind, but they've got yellow and that food cafe that's in here. Wow. Yeah, here you can see this neon. It goes all around the entire store. And it transitions from red to green here. Wow, that's really cool. And then they have yellow. I think it's just red, green, and yellow. All right, so if you can see, there's the green, and it kind of stops at the CVS pharmacy and then continues on the other side, but that is really cool. All right, well, I didn't even expect to film this Target until I went inside, and I was like, OMG, I have to film this Target because the neon was completely different from some of the other Targets I've been in. But follow Parker at Slack and Packin' on YouTube, and if you liked my video, then like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you on another episode of Urbex, everyone. Bye.